Have you ever wondered how computers recognize and understand images? Today, let's dive into a fascinating breakthrough in computer vision, the Vision Transformer, or VIT for short. For years, convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, have been the go-to model for image recognition tasks. They work by scanning images with small filters to detect patterns like edges, textures, and shapes. But there's a new kid on the block that's shaking things up: the Vision Transformer. Transformers were first developed for natural language processing, where they analyze words in sentences by focusing on the most relevant parts. This mechanism is known as self-attention. But how does this apply to images? The Vision Transformer takes an image and divides it into small patches. Each patch is treated like a word in a sentence, allowing the transformer to understand the image as a sequence. Using self-attention, the Vision Transformer learns the relationships between patches, allowing it to understand the entire image context. It doesn't just look for simple patterns like edges, it looks for complex structures and their relationships. Unlike CNNs, which often need many layers to capture long-range dependencies, the Vision Transformer can grasp the full context right from the start. This makes it incredibly powerful for recognizing objects and understanding scenes. Vision Transformers are making waves in the world of computer vision, achieving state-of-the-art performance on many tasks. They're opening new possibilities for how machines see and interpret the world around us. So next time you wonder how a computer understands a photo or video, think about the Vision Transformer, a true game changer in visual intelligence.